Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to create a dimension style in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open AutoCAD, go to the ribbon at the top of the screen, then click on the Home tab. Over here, find the Annotation panel, locate the Dimension Style button, and click it to open the Dimension Style Manager. Then click on New. After that, the Create New Dimension Style dialog box will open and enter a unique name for your style. After that, click Continue, then the Dimension Style dialog box will open where customization begins. Then go through each tab, start with Dimension Lines tab, adjust color and line type, then move forward. After that, open Extension Lines tab, adjust how far lines extend from the object. Then set Arrowheads type, choose architectural ticks or closed filled arrows as needed. After that, adjust center marks and dimension breaks. Set clarity for crossing dimensions. Then, check arc length symbol location. Adjust it for better clarity if needed. After that, configure jog dimensions for complex or irregular measurements. Then, open Text Style tab, set font size and formatting for dimension text. After that, adjust fit options, manage placement of text and arrows in tight spaces. Then set primary and alternative units and add tolerances according to project standards. After that, click OK to save your settings, then return to the Dimension Style Manager. Then click Close to exit the manager and finalize your dimension style. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.